Welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial, we will learn how you can turn any old jeans into an apron. How you can make even this beautiful flower, if you notice on this apron, and how to make the binding. Actually, it's a very good project for the beginners, especially. You can get a lot of skills without without wasting any fabric. So this is an old jeans, so just cut this jeans, and we are using only this much, the upper part of this jeans. The rest you can use for any other project. So only within this piece we are going to make our complete apron. So here I'm just separating this part, and after that, here from this crotch area also you need to cut it. You can see it's damage all the from here, so that's why I'm using it to make a apron. So after separating all this part, this back part actually I'm going to make the front because it has the pockets. So here you just need to make here a straight line. Anything extra, just cut it. And after preparing this, I will show you how you can take the measurement for your own size. Usually apron are in standard sizes, but if you are making your own, you can measure your body. So from here to here we need this the upper part, and from here our this down part will start. So for this almost 10 inches is here, and almost 9 inches the width. So for that I'm taking this front piece and just cut this all this 10 inches, and we need to make here joint to make I mean we need to attach these two pieces together. And after stitching this, I will attach this part to my this waist part. Hope you understand. So also I'm going to show you how you can make your jeans flower, so don't skip any part of this video. See, I just attach here these two lines, and also with this waist you can see just I stitch it like this way because there are multiple layers. So after stitching all this, now we need to make the a little adjustment, because you see here you can make here a curve for your armhole, but I prefer this style. Just make it a little less, like if it's 10, so from the top make it like 9, so it will give you a little slant look. So also it depends on your personal choice and your body size, so you can play with this part. So this is some leftover that if you remember I stitch up project. So this is the leftover fabric I use. I'm going to use it as a binding, and I didn't cut it in the bias. It's just a straight piece of fabrics strips, and I just joined it and then turn it inside and stitch this way. And after stitching, press it properly. And here you guys see this there is a belt part of this jeans, and normally a machine won't work here properly. So the tip is that you need to pull up your lever a little bit and pass this this face with a hand, just moving your wheel by hand. Hope you understand my point, because here is a lot of layers of jeans here, and the normal domestic machine maybe give you a little trouble. So after completing all these things, and see on the corner also you need to turn like down your needle and then turn your fabric, so you will get pointed shapes here. And that's how you can turn your fabric. And this is very good project for the beginners as well, and you can turn any your jeans into apron, because jeans stuff is very good or rough and tough, especially in kitchen work. So after that, as you notice, I didn't fold it twice, so that's why I'm just using this scissor, it will give you a zigzag edges, and no need to turn it twice because already we are working with thick fabric. Hope you understand my point. So now next is just use your waste fabric, small pieces, and I'm cutting here 3 pieces to make a flower. And after this cutting, just mark any design, something like a flower, and just cut it. See how I'm going to cut this one. So here I'm cutting a flower that has 4 petals, so but you can think your own design as well if you want. See, something like this. And on all these 3 pieces, step by step I cut this flower. Then I will place it something like this, and we need a button in the middle of this flower. See, I just took this button and I want the same color, so that's why I'm just wrapping my extra fabric with here, and with the thread you need to twist around it, and after that you can see here something like this, and stitch with the needle so it's fixed properly. You can see now your matching button is ready. And now I'm just going to cut the all extra fabric. Once you make sure that everything is fixed. Now place your flower something like this, and after that place your this button and stitch it properly, something like this, and make sure your stitches are strong enough so it will not easily remove. And guys, if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to give your feedback. At least just hit a thumbs up button. Your feedback really means a lot for me. See, a beautiful flower is ready, and now we can place it here. You can place it anywhere on your apron, but here you can see something is not very smooth when we join these parts, so that's why this flower is also to cover that area. Now just fix it properly, and after fixing you can see this look, and you can see this is the look. Now we need to add our strips. So for that, first you need to again measure according to your body, whatever is your height and all these things. Here I'm taking it as 18 inches, and sorry guys, only on this clip a little bit light issue because sunlight was very direct at that morning time. So hope you just see that I just cut my strips and turn it inside out, and after that I press it properly, and after that I'm going to show you how you can attach. So see, after all these things, now see I just fix it here and just pin up it and pin up it here, and you see I press it properly already. And here also I prefer one side with a loop and one side with a string. So for loop I take this a little less with fabric, and see this is a loop that I make here. So guys, hope you like this video. Please give your feedback and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and please hit the like button if you really like this tutorial. Your feedback will really encourage me to make more videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.